Python programming language. Polymorphism. Explore polymorphism in Python, interfaces, duck typing, and more. Polymorphism in Python is the ability to use a single interface to represent different data types. This concept is integral to object-oriented programming, allowing flexibility and reassignability in code. Duck typing in Python means that an object's suitability is determined by the presence of certain methods and properties, rather than the actual type of the object. This approach enables polymorphism without strict type enforcement. Method overriding occurs when a subclass provides a specific implementation of a method that is already defined in its superclass. This allows for customized behavior in subclasses, enhancing code flexibility. Python allows operators to be overloaded, meaning you can define custom behavior for operators based on the operand's types. This enables polymorphic use of operators, improving code readability and functionality. Polymorphic functions can operate on different types, leveraging Python's dynamic typing. This allows for flexible and reusable code, as functions are not restricted to a single data type. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.